Get ready to power your world with the all-electric SUV, Hyundai IONIQ 5. The Hyundai IONIQ 5 comes with a unique Tyre Mobility Kit that keeps you mobile even after experiencing a flat tire. As compared to replacing the flat tire, the Tyre Mobility Kit is an easier and faster solution to repair minor punctures in no time. So what do you need to do if you get a flat tire? The kit contains an air compressor with attached hose to pump sealant and air into the tire, sealant bottle, an integrated bottle of a thick, sticky sealant that will provide a temporary fix for your flat tire, compressor housing for sealant bottle, filling hose, power cable that connects compressor to car power outlet, a gauge to display tire pressure, a button to reduce tire pressure if necessary, speed limit label. Now let's see how to use the kit. Shake the sealant bottle. Connect the filling hose to the sealant bottle. Insert the sealant bottle into the compressor housing. Make sure that the bottle is upright. Unscrew the valve cap on the flat tire. Screw the other end of the sealant bottle filling hose onto the wall. Make sure the compressor's power is switched off. Plug the compressor's power cord into the vehicle's power outlet. Start the vehicle if you switched it off. Switch the compressor on and let it run for 5 to 7 minutes. Do not run the compressor for more than 7 minutes as it may overheat. If after 7 minutes the tire has not reached at least 29 psi on the compressor gauge and is not maintaining pressure, then the puncture is too large to seal and roadside assistance must be called. Ensure you stay away from the tire while it is being filled. When complete, switch off the compressor. Unplug it from the vehicle's power outlet. Detach the filling hose from the inflated tire and the compressor's hose from the sealant bottle. Remove the speed restriction label from the sealant bottle and affix it to your steering wheel. Now you're ready to get back on the road. But here are a few simple things that you still need to do. Drive for 7 to 10 kilometers or for about 10 minutes between the speeds of 20 to 80 kilometers per hour to evenly distribute the sealant in the tire. After 10 minutes, stop and check the tire inflation. Connect the compressor's hose directly to the valve of the inflated tire. Check the pressure gauge to see if the tire pressure is set to the pressure listed on the sticker in the door frame. If the pressure is too high, press the button for reducing tire pressure until it is set. If the pressure is too low, make sure the compressor's power switch is off and plug its power cord into the vehicle's power outlet. Start your vehicle if you switched it off. Switch on the compressor. After approximately 5 seconds, switch the compressor off and check the tire pressure. If it is still too low, switch on the compressor for another 5 seconds. Repeat this process until the pressure is set. Please remember, this is a temporary fix. Once the tire is properly sealed, you can drive at a maximum speed of up to 80 km per hour. Tentatively up to 200 kilometers. The Tyre Mobility Kit is a great DIY tool, but as the experts say, there are things you need to keep in mind. If the puncture is larger than a quarter inch or 6 millimeters in diameter, or it's on the side wall, the Tyre Mobility Kit will be of no help. Hyundai Roadside Assistance is the best and safest option in this instance. Hyundai IONIQ 5, the all-electric SUV. Power your world.